Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a carbon copy or CC in email template here in Salesforce. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add a CC or carbon copy recipient in an email template in Salesforce, there are multiple options depending on how you are sending the emails and which type of template you are using. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon and click on Setup. Now, in the quick find box here, type in email alerts. You got that? Click on it. Now here, if you haven't created an email alert yet, click on the new email alert. You're going to want to put in the description. Unique name is this. Object is, that's going to be email for now, if you want. Okay? Or maybe a lead. Email template, if you have, you can search for this one. Maybe I'm going to be checking on this. All right. User recipient time for. Now, in the recipient type, okay, you can choose from any users. All right. User, click the find if you have one here. And that's going to be a role-based, all right? Role-based recipients, all right? That's one way. Now, this method sends the email using the specified template and allows you to include a CC addresses through the email alert configuration. And of course, you can enter 5 email addresses to be notified, all right? This, you can also choose the current user's email address. You might want to check if they make this address the default from email address for the object's email alerts. Click on save and click on OK. But of course, if you encounter any problems, just try to troubleshoot some of the items because, so for example, you see, it needs a recipient right here. Okay, so this is going to be the role-based recipients again. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.